Hi there. In today's video, I will show you step-by-step how to connect Square to Shopify using the official Square integration app. This is the easiest way to sync your Square account with your Shopify online store, whether you want to import products from Square to Shopify, sync inventory, or manage payments more smoothly. So let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account as the store administrator. I'm inside my Shopify dashboard right now, and I'll walk you through the exact process. On the left-hand side, click on Apps. From here, choose App and Sales Channel Settings. Now, click on Shopify App Store. Once the Shopify App Store opens, go to the search bar and type Square Integration DPL. This is the official app that allows you to integrate Square with Shopify. When it shows up, simply click on it. Now you'll see the app details page. Go ahead and click Install. Shopify will ask you to confirm and give permission so the Square app can connect with your store. After installation, you'll be redirected to log in with your Square account. Enter your Square login details and authorize the connection. Once connected, you'll be able to sync Square products with Shopify, manage inventory automatically, and use Square POS with Shopify. For example, if you already have products in your Square account, they will now appear in your Shopify dashboard. Any updates you make in Square can be synced so that your Shopify store stays updated in real time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate Square with Shopify using Square Integration DPL. This method works perfectly if you want to save time, manage inventory across platforms, and keep everything in sync between Square POS and your Shopify online store. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other Shopify guides.